Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add video in your scene with the play and pause buttons. Firstly, let's create a new scene and name it whatever you want. To play a video, we will need an object to play the video in it. So let's add a cube. And let's put it looks like a TV. Put the cube in the front of the camera, scale it and reposition until it looks good. Now let's add a button for playing the video. Change the canvas mode to workspace mode. Let me put the button in the front of the cube, reposition the button and change the size. Duplicate the button so we have two buttons, one for playing video and the other one for pausing video. Reposition the buttons. Change the text for both buttons so we can identify them. So as you can see, we have a screen with two buttons. And now let's add the video. Select the cube and add video player from components. Now we need to add a video here. First, let's bring a video to the project. Drag and drop the video inside the cube. Let's play the scene to test the video. Oops, the cube needs some change. If you face this problem, just add minus in X and Z in scaling values. Let's play the scene to see how it looks. Yeah, the cube looks better now. Let's try to press buttons. Yeah, it's still not working because we didn't add functions. So now let's create C# script and name it whatever you want. We need to add video functions in Unity engine. We need to call the video, so add a private variable for video and create a wake function to call the video immediately when the scene is played. Now let's create function for playing video. One simple line, video.play, and that's it. And do the same for pause function, video.pause. Now add the script inside the cube. You can rename the cube if you want. Now let's add function for each button. Add onClick function. Drag and drop the cube object where you put the script. Now choose play function for button play. Do same for pause button and choose pause video function. And now let's test the buttons play the scene, everything look good. But I'm going to reposition buttons a little bit. Now let's play the scene. Everything is perfect with no errors. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.